Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with the kit build. I've just finished stage 42 and I'm going on with stage 43 from the next pack. And you saw in the description which pack it is. By heart I can't remember, but believe you me, it's good. Getting that one out to that side. Then in step 2 we're getting cables and MOT cable out. Okay, so we're going to connect the MOT to the MOT on the chassis, on the circuit board, which is, let me see, right next to the green. Yes, there is an MOT there. There we go, that's in. In step 3 we're getting cable K out. Then we've got W. This is a case of just puzzling and making sure you get the right one there. That's the E cable. You can see the E right next to that thing. Then this is the P. There we go. Then that last cable is the M cable. 3 from this side. So the K, the W and the P. The K, the W and the P go to this side here. Then we're going to put those brackets over it. And the E goes there as well. Okay, if we've got those cables here and these cables are staying on this side. Then, yep, we're going to step 11. And we're gonna put some tape over it. Okay, we've got the tape over, and that's this stage done. And we're gonna put all those cables inside. And we're gonna see what we do in the next one. And I think it's more cables. I still haven't done anything with M. Let me just see where M is. Right there. Let's just put it in. And let's go to the next cable. Trays. We've got 3 more trays of cables. And we've got quite a bit of cables to put away. As you can see right here, it's all going in here. Okay, those are in. On. So one here, one there, as you can see on that camera. Then we're going to get the F wire out, the G wire. We've got the G in, then we're going to do the H. That's the H wire in, right there. Then the O, this one. Step 7, we are going to put in the J wire. Then we're going to get the L wire out. This one, I think. Yes, it is. Then we're going to go to the D wire. This one. Then we've got the I wire. That one with the 2 LED lights. And the last one is the V wire that we are going to put in. As you can see, I'm making the watch. I've put that watch face in, the 2 dials in. E with the numbers is on this side, and the other one with nothing on it, or no numbers, is on the other. It's the hardest part. Well, not putting them in, but keeping them in. These are the buttons. They're falling out all the time. As you see what I did, kept that in. Need to put a battery in, then that battery face can go over it. and we can check everything out. I put the buttons in and then put that in. What I did is I taped one side with a little bit of masking tape and then pushed them in. Especially this side is really hard, so I put them in first and then I put that in and then I put that over and I used a little bit of tape. Of course this little thing is in as well, and those two buttons are in as well. And all buttons are working as you hear. Okay, we put a little battery in and I'm going to check that before I put it in. This one is good. There we go, it's in, as you can see right there. All cables are in.
Tu entends la voix d'un ordinateur qu'on a désigné comme le KITT 2000, le kit si tu préfères.
So that is the watch done, and I am going to show you the whole car in all with all its sounds and stuff like that. Just one more time, so you see what's happening. So we turn the lights on. There we go. All the lights turn on and you hear that calling sound. If you press it one more time, some lights will go off. This motor is turning. All lights are off now. Press that one more time, let's see what happens. The whole thing starts again. Okay, we've got that one. Let's wait until that's finished. Now we press the side button here. Makes the engine sound, I think. It turns it off again if you press it again. Let's press the B button, as they call it. You hear that sound? Okay, that's just that sound. Then we press the top button of the two. That's peculiar. There we go. That just turns that on and off. And then the lower of the two. There you go through all the different things he says.
I am not qualified to overrule your wishes. Yes, Michael. As Michael would say, thanks, pal. I am the voice of Night Industry. I project arts of the...
There you go. That thing keeps on going now, but why it turned off all the lights, I don't know just now, but just press the light button, the A button again, and press the light button again, and that's it. Okay. We're going to turn everything off. You saw what that did, and everything. That is this stage as well done. 46. So, let me just get that out. As you can see on the side camera here, the car is pretty much a long way, and we're going to put everything there. We've got the watch, as you can see here, with what we can start all the sounds and all the movement. It's much nicer than having to push all little things inside the car, which makes it a lot better. But it seems to be that most of the cars now are getting remote controls of some kind, which makes it a lot better. But for the mod companies, it's not so nice. But they made some beautiful mods as well for. Well, I've got mods for the DeLorean and the Routemaster, because that was pressing buttons as well, which is a little bit ridiculous. But I've got the power. I've got the power adapter. So you don't have to put batteries in there, stuff like that. Those kind of things I do like. I don't have that with this one, and I can tell you, you're not pressing those buttons a lot, just when people come in and you show them. So you can leave those batteries in or take them out and then show them again. But that was this build done, and I want to thank you very much for sticking out all the way to the end, especially you. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and I hope to see you next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.